Hi guys, for today's video, I'll try to prank my co-worker and my housemate. We'll see what happened. I will call her now and I will tell that there's a sale rise in Superstore. I don't know, she didn't think something like, I'll try to be cannot be obvious, like that. Try to understand my English, but we'll see. We'll see. The prank, if it is work. I will call her now. We'll see.
Your call has been forwarded to a voicemail service that is not initialized.
To make sure it's not obvious, I need to hide my shoes. She think I'm in the Superstore. I put it here. And I need to fix my bed. And I need to remove this. This is the one I need to use for my prank. Wait, my God. I need to set up the one cell phone over here. Here. Yep. Oops, my God. The other one here to see my face. Malapit na yung time, guys. Nalilit kasi silang umuwi kasi nag-endorse pa sa mga night shift. Kaya konting oras na lang. Titignan natin kung mapaprank natin si ate.
Oh no!
hours later. No, 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 no.
Huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo.
No, 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 no.
Ay, putay. Ay, putay. Ay, putay.